Welcome. Today I'm guiding you through the latest Facebook web update so you can snooze a profile right from your PC. If you're scrolling through your feed and want a little break from a particular person without unfriending them, this feature makes it easy to pause their post for 30 days. Here's exactly how to do it. First, open Facebook on your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a quick look at your feed and locate any post from the profile you want to snooze. It doesn't matter which post you choose, as long as it's from the person you want to pause. Next, hover over the top right corner of that post where you'll see a row of icons. Look for the three dots, also known as the menu button. Click those three dots to reveal a small menu of options related to that specific post. In the menu that appears, you'll find the option labeled Snooze their name for 30 days. Click on that. A confirmation may briefly appear asking you to confirm your choice to snooze this profile for 30 days. If prompted, confirm the action. That's it. The profile will be temporarily silenced for 30 days, meaning their post won't overwhelm your feed during that period. After 30 days, Facebook will automatically resume showing their posts, unless you decide to snooze them again or adjust your settings sooner. If you ever want to manage or cancel a snooze, you can return to your feed or your settings to review active snoozes. Look for a snoozed or unfollowed section where you can extend, shorten, or lift the pause based on how you feel at that moment. A quick tip: if you don't see the snooze option on a post, try refreshing the page or updating your browser. Facebook's interface can shift with updates, and a fresh session often brings the new controls back into view. That covers the new Facebook web snooze flow on PC. It's simple, non-committal, and perfect for reclaiming your feed from time to time without harsh steps. If you try it, share your experience in the comments and tell us how you use the feature to tailor your Facebook experience.